What did Fiona turn into? Huh, Lonnie? A what?
A yogurt.
She turned into a yogurt?
Yeah.
What's a yogurt?
I don't understand.
We don't have to eat yogurt.
Say what?
We eat that.
Oh, so we can eat her?
No.
You just said we eat yogurt. You just said we eat yogurt, no? So can we eat her?
Hmm?
Can we eat her?
No.
Why?
Because it's sugar.
You just said she's a yogurt.
You turn into that.
Into what?
A yogurt.